all for it. As soon as they're unlinked, we get to leave this crap town. Who do we have to kill?
Probably no one. All right, potentially everyone.
Dull, dreary, hideous.
Talking about the clothes or something else?
Why? Feeling insecure?
She's devastated and exhausted. Where's her room?
I got her.